Hey everyone, here is the painting from my last video, the kind of Dutch pour, and it turned out pretty cool. Today I am using the new Arteza iridescent acrylic color in Fairy Tale Blue. So there are some super duper cool colors in here. I don't know if they're color shifting or just iridescent. I think just iridescent. But look at that. They're so cool. This one's really neat. That'll be a tough one to use in a pour though, because it's very dark. So, very cool colors in there. I am doing an open cup flipping or twist and swirl. I always get that wrong, but I made up the term so I can get it wrong as much as I want, I suppose. So I'm doing, since I'm using that Fairy Tale Blue, I'm using blues and purples in this. Oftentimes I use all the colors, but this time I'm sticking to blues and purples. I already poured my white base coat, which is Dutch Boy house paint mixed with Floetrol and water. So I already poured that. I'm using Artist Loft Turquoise. I'll name them as I take the lids off. Then actually the next two are just self-mixed blues that don't have names. And it has been, I've had a couple videos out, but they were made a while ago. I haven't actually painted in at least 2-3 weeks. Then I've got Arteza Violet. So these haven't been opened in a while. I got a new job, and I've just been very busy with that. Totally new work schedule, everything. So I've been pretty busy. Oh gosh. I was going to pour some white in there. I don't have any white in a cup to pour. So let's just start with this. And I think I'm going to use Arteza Mauve Pale as well for a different shade of purple. And this is just a cup that I cut open. Normally with these skinny ones I stay right down the edge, but I want a little bit bigger outcome this time. So a lot of the swirl will come when I come back in after the fact. So right now it doesn't look like a whole lot. It will. I promise. It feels weird having not painted in so long because daily painting was a part of my life, and it's been weeks. And time just has a way of getting away from you. So thank you to those that are still watching my videos, because viewership went way down because I haven't had as many videos. So thank you very much to those of you who have been watching. I appreciate it greatly. That was one of my worries was, I'm going to lose everybody. But sometimes, as I said, life, new job, etc. You gotta do what you gotta do. So let's just keep swirling. I wonder if that, nope, I thought maybe that would be enough to get it to the end, but it is not. Then I'm going to torch it, which will bring out all these ugly, come on. So bring out all these ugly cells. And I'm going to go back in and swirl. Tilt a little bit, or maybe a lot. Let me try and tilt this, hang on, into more of a circle. So I gotta really, there we go. Check out the lines. That's how you get those cool lines. I love lines. Let's maybe have it go off a little bit. If I can get it to in just those few spots, not the whole thing. There's one spot and two. Now stop. Tilt it back. Tilt it back. Rewind it back. What song is that? It's a song. I know it is. Oh, it's an Usher song. I probably got the words wrong, but it's this Usher song I'm thinking of. And I think I am finished. I'll put some more white paint on the corners where I was holding it. Ooh, those sides look pretty. I couldn't see them from where I was. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.